Hi, in this class we are going to topic important facts and formulas for partnership. Before starting the questions for partnership, you have to understand about the important fact and formulas. So, partnership. When two and more than two persons run a business jointly, they are called partners and the deal is known as partnership. Ratio of division of gains. When investments of all the partners are for the same time, the gain or loss is distributed among the partners in the ratio of their investments. Suppose P and Q invest rupees A and B respectively for a year in a business. Then at the end of the year, P's share of profit is to Q's share of profit, which is equal to A is to B. Second one, when investments are for different time period, then equivalent capitals are calculated for a unit of time by taking capital into number of unit of time. Now gain or loss is divided in the ratio of these capitals. Suppose A invests rupees X for P months and B invests rupees Y for Q months, then A's share of profit is to B's share of profit, which is equal to XP is to YQ. Now, working and sleeping partners. A partner who manages a business is known as a working partner, and the one who simply invests the money is a sleeping partner. So stay tuned for more questions. Thank you.